Those in favor stand the court.
Order, Madam Speaker.
The ayes have it.
Even after the Uganda People's Defense Forces Amendment Bill was passed into law, the ground is still watered with mixed reactions on the spirit of the bill, pending President Yoweri Museveni's assent.
That bill has some positives and some negatives. The positive bit is about the welfare of UPDF and the veterans, but the negative is the trial of civilians in the military court-martial.
Re-establishing the court-martial was the main magic bullet if civilians are to respect the military stores. But who is misinterpreting the ruling of the Supreme Court of January 31st, 2025?
The ruling of the Supreme Court was very clear. First of all, they said the court-martial as it is now cannot dispense justice.
So if there are disciplinary issues, we have no problem with a military tribunal or disciplinary committee in a form of their court hearing those matters to try and control and guide the military. Matters to do with the civilians, since they're enshrined in the rule of law and the spirit of the Constitution, which is protection of individual rights and property, that has to be protected in a civilian court.
Despite the crusaders describing the proposed new legislation as critical and urgent, some people claim the consultations were inadequate.
Because this is a bill of strategic nature. It does not require for every bill, for every act, for MPs to consult, because we represent the people and we act on behalf of the people. But for a bill that has perception and public opinion and has gone to the Supreme Court, it is just proper that the public is widely consulted.
Others think the bill required further sensitization for the public to appreciate its spirit.
It left the majority of the population to think of suspicion that the intention of the act or the amendment of the bill is to harass the opposition and to harass those who are opposed to the regime.
It is true that politics plays a crucial role in shaping policies, laws and regulations, but the spirit is a topic for discussion.
The example they're giving about Karamoja, it was because the police and the army was limited in those areas. They failed to be in areas, because if the army was there, if police was there, was deployed there, the Karamoja would not be able to rob.
If you don't agree that the army should have exceptional law to guide their discipline for the good and prosperity of this country, then we may not even engage you intellectually, because you have deliberately closed yourself out to just blackmail government.
The House, chaired by Speaker Anita Among, on Tuesday 20th May 2025, passed the UPDF Amendment Bill 2025, and President Yoweri Museveni has appreciated the move.
Njagala kuyozayoza abana b'omu parliament batutasiza ekizibu jo bayise ekiteeso kubanga bano abatomera okutomera munange abatomera abajja ne batomera bali bagenda kutuyingiza mu kizibu ky'amaanyi.
Daniel Mugoya, Gloria Gwitabingi, UBC News.
Clause 12.